Here's a video of the working sump pump. It's got pipes all the way up here, and Dale's got this all the electrical and the plumbing all around, and it drains out over here. So I'm going to bring it back over, and he's going to plug it in now. This has to be left on. Okay, he filled the tank up with water, and you can see that it's running out. He had drilled little holes in the side. I guess that's what the protocol is. You drill holes so that the water runs in from underground. So that's where the water comes from. There was like half a tank of water in there at the time. We're also going to put in drill a hole through the wall, and then have the possibility of putting in the dehumidifier on the other side too. So we could have 1 or 2 dehumidifiers pouring in here. So this will keep the floor dry down here, and the air dry as well.
Yeah.
Because there's a constant flow from the dehumidifier. Bye.
At least